Before the titles, function status. Before the titles, function status. Followed by the person's name. Followed by the person's name. Dr. Parker. Dr. Parker. Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth. Prince William. Prince William. King Louis XV. King Louis XV. President Sarkozy. President Sarkozy. Ex-president. Example, President Trump has visited a museum in Paris. Example, President Trump. President Trump has visited a museum in Paris. In front of the days, the months. In front of the days, the months. Sarah goes to the swimming pool on Tuesday. Sarah goes to the swimming pool on Tuesday. August is usually very hot. August is usually very hot. I love Fridays. I love Fridays. Time and weather. Time and weather. It's spring. It's spring. At night. At night. Next year, I'm going to Sri Lanka. Not the next year. Next year, I'm going to Sri Lanka. Not the next year.